Mexico City adventures continue. Has almost everything. It has museums, has a castle. It's a water source for Mexico City up on Grasshopper Hill, where the castle is also located. You got the Museum of Anthropology. You have the Museum of Mexican History up in the castle, that is. You have the Modern Art Museum, and you have a zoo. And you also have a National Auditorium where they held the Olympics here. A lot of really great stuff. Definitely worth checking out. This park is more than 2 times the size of Central Park in New York, which is fitting because this city has a lot more people as well. It's the largest city in North America, or the Americas for that matter. I definitely urge you to come check it out. There's a lot of history here. There's a lot of interesting cultures. Good youth culture here. A lot of people into fitness, running, skating, skateboarding. Oh yeah, cannabis. Although the hippies are of all ages, and a lot of techie people. This is a really good part of town. There's a BBVA building here. A lot of techies like to partake of cannabis and mushrooms. And I might add, that's anywhere in the world, speaking from personal experience, having worked in the techie world in the past myself. It's quite chill, quite your intellectual crowd, really, and very open. You can legally procure cannabis in at least one of the 7 legal zones, and one of which is right behind me at this moment. You come here, I'm sure you'll find it, or it'll find you. The National Anthropology Museum, which by the way is really cool, and in my opinion takes at least 2 days to really check out. I spent 2 very long days there shooting videos, and I plan on sharing those with you here. It ranges all the way from the creation of the planet, evolution, to the history of occupation of Mexico by human beings, going back at least 35,000 years, proven wise that is. And who knows, could be further than that. So this park is also the water source. Up on the hill where the castle is, there used to be springs and rivers coming forth, and those are now the source of water for this city of over 20 million human beings. Really great. Hope you stick around. Give me a like, share the video, and please subscribe, and encourage your friends to subscribe. I need to get up to at least 1,000 subscriptions to unlock some of the features like my other channel has. That way I can share links and such a lot easier.
Definitivamente no coincidían en gustos como
Los demás se murieron.
Sí.
Aguas.
new for Endless Summer 2022-2023. This channel now has a sponsor, Cats of McCaysville. What a great place to come eat breakfast or lunch. And if you're taking the train from Blue Ridge, you got to check this place out. You'll see it on your way into town. They have really great gravy, and people that show up after 11 o'clock are often really sad because they can't get it. That's right. You got to be here in the morning before 11 o'clock if you want to try the most slawed over famous gravy in McCaysville. If you like this channel and you want to support it, you got a couple options. Check out this Venmo QR, or check in the description below for the link to Venmo. Or you can come rafting with me and check out this URL for some good tips on how to do it. Love to hear more from you. And here are the people who have made some donations and contributions toward the cause. So, ever wondered how guides live? It's not as glamorous as you might think. But I don't have any central heating and air anywhere I live throughout the year. So, while it is primitive, it's pretty close to how I live my frugal lifestyle. It's not easy to make it on sub-poverty wages, so you gotta be really frugal and tough if you want to live it up. So here's a little peek at my abode and how well I live here.